This box replaced 8 dongles and ended my IT nightmares. StarTech ICUSB2328I. Ever felt like your serial adapters are plotting against you? You're configuring network gear, everything's working perfectly, then boom, COM ports shuffle after a reboot and your scripts break. Or worse, that cheap adapter dies mid-deployment. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you've lost hours to flaky serial connections. There's actually a bulletproof solution that IT pros discovered, and it might surprise you. Picture this nightmare. You're under pressure, deadlines looming, and your serial adapter crashes during a critical server configuration. Your stress levels spike as you scramble for workarounds. Meanwhile, your colleagues wonder why simple tasks take forever. Imagine if there was a way to eliminate this chaos completely without learning new tools or changing your workflow. The answer exists, hiding in plain sight. Enter the StarTech ICUSB2328I, the industrial-grade beast that transforms serial connectivity from nightmare to non-issue. This isn't your typical plastic dongle. It's an all-metal, wall-mountable fortress with 8 rock-solid ports powered by the legendary FTDI chipset. Here's the game changer. COM port retention means your ports stay locked in place even after reboots. One network engineer told me it saved their entire weekend deployment when they could pre-script everything knowing ports wouldn't shuffle. The DIN rail mounting clips? Perfect for control panels. The TAA compliance? Government contracts approved. But here's the bonus trick most users miss. You can daisy chain multiple units and still maintain perfect port consistency across all of them. Feel that metal chassis? That's electromagnetic interference protection working silently. Smell that new electronics confidence? That's 2 years of warranty backing you up. This hub doesn't just connect devices, it eliminates the anxiety of serial communication forever. Keep reading for the feature that makes data center managers actually smile. The real magic happens when you experience the efficiency boost firsthand. Picture accessing 8 console ports simultaneously from one laptop, no more cable swapping, no more USB juggling. One industrial automation expert shared, "This hub survived our factory floor, where 3 competitors failed within weeks. The FTDI drivers, they're baked into Linux kernels, auto-install on Windows, just pure plug-and-play bliss." A data center manager revealed 2 years running 24/7, 0 failures, 0 driver crashes. See why thousands of IT professionals won't touch another brand? The reviews speak volumes, from POS system integrators calling it indestructible to software developers praising its flawless multi-port stability. Which feature would revolutionize your workflow? The automatic driver installation or the bomb-proof metal construction? Comment below. One systems analyst noted the hidden value, the time saved from not troubleshooting connection issues, paid for this unit in the first month. Feel your stress melting away just thinking about reliable serial connections? That's the StarTech effect. Even skeptics become believers after experiencing true industrial-grade performance. This isn't just hardware, it's peace of mind engineered into metal and silicon. Limited stock warning. These units fly off shelves whenever word spreads about their reliability. Join the thousands of professionals who've already eliminated serial connection headaches forever. Your critical infrastructure deserves better than gambling with cheap adapters. Don't wait until your current setup fails at the worst possible moment. Click now to secure your StarTech ICUSB2328I and unlock the secret mounting configuration that makes cable management actually enjoyable. Transform your serial connectivity today, because tomorrow's deadline won't wait for driver issues. Your future self will thank you.